to number 1 on the docket, Guardian Management LLC v. Shalisa Kasky or Shalissa Kasky. And for Andor Law, if you could go ahead and identify yourself.
Yes, Catherine Loden for Andor.
And how do you pronounce your last name?
Loden.
Loden, okay. All right, so Ms. Loden, I do have this on for a show cause. I did receive the second amended answer and affirmative defenses. And it looks like the request is for a stay due to a pledge of rental assistance. Ms. Loden, what is your client's position?
Yes, Your Honor. So this matter has been set over numerous times at this point. It has already been set over due to a pledge of rental assistance. I have no information that a new one has arisen. I believe that timeline has since passed. At this point, we would be requesting the writ. There is still an opportunity for the defendant to reinstate their tenancy prior to the writ being executed. But at this time, the delay has been unduly prejudicial to my client.
Well, let me ask you this. I'm looking at an email, and CAP appears to be stating that the holdup is the landlord forms to come back. Do you know if your client has responded to CAP?
To the best of my knowledge, they have. We tried to reach out to them this morning to confirm that, but I have no knowledge that they have not been cooperating.
CAP is stating the landlord stated they are waiting to hear from their lawyer before filling out the forms. What can you tell me about that?
You know, I have no information on that. I have not personally been involved in this case prior to this morning, so I'm not quite sure what that's happening, but to my knowledge, there has been no delay on behalf of my client.
Mr. Kiernan, what is your position?
But based on the information I have, it does seem like the landlord was the holdup rather than my client.
Yeah, and here's, I guess, what I'm just looking at a July 18, 2024 email from CAP stating that they're waiting for proper landlord documentation to process the payment. So what I have in front of me, I believe more likely than not shows that it appears that the holdup has been the landlord. So I don't think in good conscience or equity, granting a writ today is appropriate under any circumstances. I will set this over 1 week